about remainder theorem. The polynomial 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 6, where a and b are constants, is denoted by p of x. So p of x is this polynomial. When p of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is minus 38, divided by 2x minus 1, remainder 19 over 2. Find the values of a and b, 5 marks. So look at this example. When 7 is divided by 2, the remainder is of course 1. We can say 7 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 1. 3 is the quotient. Or we can use fraction 7 over 2 equals 3 plus 1 over 2. So 1 over the divisor. Now if we multiply both sides by 2, we get 7 equals 3 times 2 plus 1. So this is the dividend, the quotient, the divisor, and the remainder. So using the same concept for p of x divided by x plus 2 remainder minus 38, the dividend, the number being divided, is the p of x, the quotient is q of x. We don't know what q of x is and we don't care, and the divisor is x plus 2, the remainder is minus 38. So now we have to cleverly use the right value of x so that we can cancel out this q of x, or we can ignore the q of x, and we do that by using the 0 of the divisor. So the 0 of the divisor means the value of x that makes the divisor 0, and that is minus 2, because if we plug in minus 2, this is 0, so the whole term is 0, which means if we replace the x with minus 2, we get the remainder, minus 38. So p of minus 2 equals minus 38. P of minus 2 means we replace the x in the original p of x with minus 2. So we have 2 times minus 2 cubed plus a times minus 2 squared plus p times minus 2 plus 6 equals minus 38. Just use a calculator. Here we get minus 16, here we get minus 2b, and you can move the constants to the right. Minus 16 plus 6 minus 10, so add 10 to both sides, you get minus 28 on the right. And for the second information, here the p of x divided by 2x minus 1, remainder 19 over 2, same concept. So this time we replace the x with 1/2 because that is the 0 of the divisor. If you plug in 1/2, the divisor here becomes 0. So same concept like this. So p of 1/2 means we replace the x with 1/2 in the polynomial. This is 1/4, 1/2 b, and you move the constants. 1/4 plus 6 is 25 over 4. 25 over 4. So you subtract both sides by 25 over 4. So just use your calculator here, just move everything to the left, right, and then use a calculator. You get 13/4. So we have the second equation in a and b. So just solve by substitution or elimination. I'm rewriting the red equation here, and for the blue equation we can multiply throughout by 4, so we get a to b 13, no more fractions, and we have the same coefficient 2, also 2 minus 2 plus 2, so we can just add both equations, because if we add, we cancel out minus 2b plus 2b. On the left we have only 4 plus 1, which is 5a. On the right, minus 28 plus 13 minus 15 divided by 5, a equals minus 3. To find the b, use one of the equations, use the simpler one. You replace this a with minus 3, so we get this equation, and add 3 to both sides, divide both sides by 2, we get b equals 8. Alright, I'll see you again next time.